Tired of complicated bank paperwork? The Airtel Payment Bank account open process is incredibly simple. We are sharing 5 guaranteed ways to get your zero-balance digital bank account running today. Stick with us, as we also confirm the only essential documents you need. To start your Airtel Payment Bank account open journey, you only require 3 documents: your original Aadhaar Card, your original PAN card, and an active Airtel mobile number linked to your name. Keep these handy for instant verification. Here are 5 proven, easy ways to open your account. 1. The Airtel Thanks App. This is the fastest method. Download the app, navigate to the bank section, and click Open Account. You can complete the initial registration in minutes directly from your phone. 2. Instant Video KYC. After initial registration in the app, many customers are immediately prompted to complete a video KYC. This step finishes your full KYC verification digitally, making your account fully operational without leaving home. 3. Visit any authorized Airtel retailer. Thousands of Airtel stores serve as banking points. Simply walk into a nearby outlet with your Aadhaar and PAN. The agent will process your opening request using a biometric scanner, which is quick and reliable. 4. Use the official website. Go to the Airtel Payments Bank website. Look for the Get Started option to provide your details. This generates a callback or an SMS link to complete the process on the app, ensuring a smooth transition. 5. The direct IVR call. If you are already an Airtel subscriber, you can often dial a dedicated customer service number. Follow the interactive voice response prompts to begin the initial registration over the phone, though final KYC will require the app or a retailer visit. Use any of these 5 methods with your documents ready, and you will find the Airtel Payment Bank account open process seamless and quick. Subscribe for more smart banking guides.